What's up, guys? Welcome to Check Engine Champion. We're here to compare two different eras of trucks. We've got the 91 OSB with the 7.3 IDI, and we've got the 2008 with the 6.4 turbo diesel. I know you're going to give me some flack, but just stick around and watch. So we're going to start with the 7.3 IDI. And here she is. Here. Breather is here. Got your injector pump here. Your fuel comes in here through the filter, which is right there. And then a mechanical fuel pump. Mechanical fuel pump brings up the fuel, blah, blah, blah. Sends it to the injectors. The injectors are on top of this engine. You can get to all 8 of them. And you can see the lines down in here that snake through everything. And you can work on this engine. You can get to stuff on this engine. You can get to the air conditioner. You can get to the fuel pump. You can get to the alternator. You can get to the air conditioner pulleys. You can get to everything on this engine fairly easily. And then we have this one. So with this one, she's a little different. Come on, old girl. Open up. So with this one, there's no turbo. There's no coolers. There's your condenser and your oil cooler. That's about it. With this one, you've got, and I know I'm probably going to get some of these wrong, but oil cooler, turbo cooler, intercooler, transmission, coolant. Is that the radiator? Yeah, that's the radiator. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different coolers in this thing. And then you've got all of this. All of it. This one, you've got your turbo tubes here. Turbo is sitting back there. This monstrosity EGR cooler here, which might or might not have been deleted. Let's see. You've got your fuel filter and your oil filter. The injectors on this thing, you have to take the plugs out, which are under the valve covers, which are under there. I really don't know what to tell you on that one, but the valve covers are under there and under there. You can kind of see that one a little better right down in there. See it? So this one, working on it, it's more of a pain in the buttocks. But she's got more power because she is turbo. Alright, so this is the condenser for the air conditioner. The air conditioner is down in there somewhere. Radiator, this thing right here, right here. And my buddy told me what this was for, but I don't really remember what it was for, but it's another coolant that you got to look at. Your oil fill is here on this one. On this one, it's right here, right in the front. Easy to get to, easy to pour. So even the 6.7s now look about this, like this. You got to take the cabs off to really work on them to change anything significant. The only thing I've really had to do to this one, thank goodness, knock on wood, is I changed the cab bushings on it. That wasn't too bad. I didn't have to lift it up. I was able to jack it up. You know, I work on the ground. That's what I do. and changed those, and may or may not have deleted it. Got rid of the DPF filter, and the mileage may or may not have gotten a lot better. So if you got one of those, got one of these, baby it. Don't really get on it too much, because they are known to grenade at any time. I change oil in this thing regularly. She's a great truck. And this old girl she's getting there. We're going to get her there. So let's take one more look at this one. Oh, that was what I forgot to tell you. The injectors. The injectors on this one are under the valve covers. And they are about $395, $85, $95 a piece. Something like that. But they're all under there. This one's got a high pressure oil pump, or a fuel pump, and oil pump, all that good stuff. Fuel pump on this one is mechanical, like I said, and everything is here. Why did we get away from simplicity? I mean, look at the room that you've got. I mean, the belts are a little. They're little. They might be a little loose. They're just a touch, but it'll still run. That thing has sensors everywhere. Well, let's just count. 1 sensor, 2 sensors, 3 sensors, 4 sensors. There's one over there that's 5. There's just so many sensors in this one. I can't even try to work on this truck. This one I'm not afraid of. As far as comfort, you could make this one better, but she is she's not bad, but it's not great. I mean, she's got the bucket seats and stuff in it. The seats are cushy, but you don't have Bluetooth. You don't have any of that stuff. As far as comfort, you don't even have headrests in this one, but you got the chill spot right there. And then in the back, you've got the seat back there, which I've got junk all in this truck right now. I think the next video, we're going to kind of show you how to clean it up a little bit. So I'll show you the other truck, but I've got so much stuff from my camper business in there right now that I'm a little embarrassed about that one. But tell me in the comments what you like about the old school, and tell me what you like about the new school. And we may try to incorporate some of the new school into the old school. So don't forget to like and share. And here in a second, I'm going to do a cold start on this thing, because it was like 30 degrees last night and it hadn't been started in about a week or so. And another thing, I apologize. I've had a whole lot going on from life happened stuff. So that's why I haven't put up a video, or a good video. And that's why I'm kind of putting up a short video today. So let's do the cold start and see what happens. All right, so let's try this one more again. Turn it off. Turn it back on. Come on, dadgummit. It's so much easier. Clampulators would work. So we're going to shove this one in here somewhere. Maybe, possibly, probably not. Oh, Son of a motherless goat. Will you love me and hold me forever? Then you put some stuffing in the wrong places and I'm a little messed up now. Anyway, I know. I'm goofy as all hell. Huh? Nope. Dang it. Nope. Nope. Maybe. Maybe that'll work for a minute. Okay. Look at that. Switch turned off. Let's see. Oh my, look at me now. I'm the ordinary. Okay, now she'll start. Hey, go. Boy, she's cold-cotted. The one that was messed up didn't even come off. The one that was good came off. Come on. Did we lose it all? I think our switch did it again. God bless America, land that I love. Oh no, don't die. It did it again. It blew the freaking... This dadgum thing. Well, we heard her crank. She blew the seal off the oil filter again. So I think I'm gonna have to wait till a warm day to get her started up. I'm gonna fix that and we'll get to it next time. But she started and ran for a second.